Set the tone. And I'm not going to take too much of your time because this video definitely doesn't need to be extremely long for you to understand what I'm about to tell you. Mondays are the tone setter. Here's what I mean by that. A lot of you wake up every single Monday at the start of every single week with bad energy and bad vibes from the moment you get out of bed. You're like, oh my God, I just don't want, man, I don't want to get up for work right now. I don't want to go do this, that, and the third. These errands, man, forget the errands. I don't want to do that. And you think it's small, like you think it's just one of those days and you'll get it back the next day. You don't understand how important energy is in this world. A lot of people adore and admire and truly value money, and rightfully so. But I think the most important currency in the world is energy. The energy you put out, the energy around you, that's the most important currency. And I need you to understand that the energy you put out is very important. And some of you have been breathing bad energy and negativity for so long, you don't even know that you're doing it. You're doing it unconsciously. It's like when you get in a car and you've been at the same job for a while and you get to the job every single day. And some of y'all ever wonder, like, how did I even get here? Like, you don't even, it's like you're on autopilot. You're not even thinking about the fact that you drove, or you're just mentally unaware. You're mentally checked out because it's something that you've done over and over again. That's what it's like with this bad energy that you're breathing every single morning when it's time for you to go to work or when it's time for you to get going on whatever it is that you're supposed to be doing. You're breathing that bad energy. Y'all been doing it so long. Y'all don't even realize that you're doing it. And that's why you're stuck in this constant hamster wheel of bad energy, negativity, and you're ruining your currency. The most important currency in the world, you ruin it every single day when you get up and you have that bad energy. So this is gonna take some conscious effort. Like, you're really gonna have to think and you're really gonna have to focus. And I know a lot of you that's hard to do. Like, it's hard to focus on one thing and, you know, to focus on it for an extended period of time. But I'm telling you guys, if you can change your mindset, instead of coming into the week thinking that Monday is the killer of all dreams, think of Monday as the tone setter. What can I do today that can translate into the rest of my week? Yes, you may have to work a little bit harder to do that, but don't you think if you had a good Monday, that'll translate into a good Tuesday, and a good Wednesday, good Thursday, good Friday, Saturday, Sunday? Like, if you ask me, I don't care which day of the week it is. Monday, I have flipped it. Now it's the best day of the week. It's my favorite day of the week, actually, because it's an opportunity for me to do better or do more than I did the week before. Even if it's by a tad, I know that the Monday, the way I act, my habits, what I do on Monday, that leads me to have a higher chance, a higher probability of having a good Tuesday, a good Wednesday, a good Thursday, a good Friday, and so on and so forth. Because I can be honest with y'all, I am very mentally aware of the fact that me having a good day and a bad day is solely dependent on me. Now, things are going to come our way and we can't control those things, and that's all right. But you decide how that energy affects you. You decide the energy you want to put back into those things that come your way. You decide that. That is a choice. Some of y'all walk around here thinking that it's somebody else's choice, like it's somebody else's decision. No, you set the tone. This is your choice. This is your life. You want to have a good days, what are you going to do about it? You want to have a good week, what are you going to do about that? Stop putting your life and your days and your weeks and everything that's supposed to be yours, that's supposed to be something that you own. Stop putting all those things in somebody else's hands, because you're going to be let down every single time. You're going to be disrespected every single time. Take ownership of your life. Take ownership of your days. Wake up. Be grateful, because there's somebody out there that didn't get a chance to wake up today while you sitting around here complaining about going to work. You know, there was somebody out there who planned the night before about going to work and they were excited to go, but they didn't get the chance to wake up and do what they wanted to do. And you sitting around here crying. I need you to rewire yourself, change your thinking, and work on setting the tone every single week. When it's a new week, be proud, be happy, be grateful. And then from there, focus on the things that you can do to set the tone so you can have a great Tuesday and a great Wednesday and a great rest of the week. All right. Hopefully that wasn't too long. I don't know how long the video is. I think it's like 5 minutes or so, maybe a little bit shorter. But this is your job to set the tone. Don't leave it on me. Don't leave it on Energetic Pat. Don't leave it on your parents. Don't leave it on your spouse. Don't leave it on your friends. Don't leave it on anybody else. You want to have a great week? Set the damn tone today. right now today. I don't know what you waiting on. You can even leave this video right now. Set the tone for the day. What can I do to have a great day? What can I do to have a great week? What can I do to have a great month? Protect your energy at all costs. That is the most important currency in the world, whether you like it or not. You thought money was the most important thing. No, sir. Your energy. And you need to protect it at all costs. What's around you and what are you putting out? Be mindful. Focus on it. Be conscious of it. Stop walking through life like nothing means anything, and it's just, life is meant for you to be on autopilot. That's not what it's meant for. You need to be aware of everything that's going on and everything that's going on with you and everything that you're putting out into this world. Y'all have a super fantastic day. I'll say it again. Set the damn tone. That's your job. Set the tone today. And make sure you have a great rest of your week, man. I will see y'all when I see y'all.